Hey friends, Steve Ozist, your go-to guy, all things applications here at Fullerton. Today we're diving into the heart of milling with one of our signature end mills, the 3500 Fury. Now what sets the Fury apart? It's simple, performance. With hundreds of thousands of units sold, it's our staple in customers' toolkits. The Fury performs exceptional in high-speed machining and conventional milling, helping our customers reduce machine time and cut costs. Plus, it produces excellent surface finish, delivering quality results that speak for themselves. The key features are going to be variable helix, unequal index, flat ground relief, drill edge, protected corner, and our FC20 coating. The key materials are going to be stainless steels, hardened steels, and high temp alloys. The key applications: high efficiency machining, 20% or less radial, works well in dry steels and stainless, full axial depth when less than 20% radial. But here's the kicker. If you're delving into the micro applications, we've got you covered with Fullerton's Micro Fury. It's a sub-miniature version of this incredible offering. So whether you're tackling large scale projects or intricate micro machining, the Fury has what it takes. Ready to witness the power? Let's fire up the machine and see what the Fury has in action.